Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across this tutorial, you are highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, please do well to subscribe. Guys, in this video, I'm so surprised myself. I made this frontal within 24 hours. So I started around 1 a.m. in the morning, then up to 6 to 7 o'clock. So I have to do some things that I'm doing, and I started again and finished around evening time. Well, it's my first time of actually making frontal like that. When I started making frontal, it do take me like up to 1 week with hard level self. So but this one, the order came urgent, so I have to take it upon myself and say that this closure I must deliver. I must not fail my client, so I have to be serious about it. In this front, I use different method. I use diagonal method, I use straight line method. Guys, if I find out that this pattern I'm not doing fast, I have to switch over to next pattern. I think that is faster or easier for me. So guys, that is it. So I'm making this video to encourage someone out there that you can do it. I know it's not easy, like when I say it's not easy at all, but when you start small. Very soon you will see yourself being perfect. Like I said before, I'm actually making this video to encourage someone out there. The reason for this video is to encourage someone out there to be consistent. Never give up. I know when I started this, even last year December, I made frontal. It took me 1 week or even more making one frontal, but this year 2023, just 24 hours I was able to produce one frontal. So you too can do it. Yeah guys, we've come to the end of the frontal. This is the final look of it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.